So here's the PS4 Slim. I have the Uncharted 4 edition with 500 gigabytes. I picked it up today from Best Buy for around $300, and there really isn't that much differences between this year's model to the original PlayStation 4. This one's 30% smaller and 1.6 pounds lighter, and the networking got upgraded from Bluetooth 2.1 to Bluetooth 4.0, and this one also supports 5 gigahertz instead of 2.4. So here is the PlayStation controller. Now there also isn't that much difference between this controller and the other PlayStation 4 controller, except there's a light that you can kind of see when you're actually playing the PS4. Here is the power cable, PlayStation headset. We have the HDMI cable, and also the USB charger for the controller. Alrighty. We have the PlayStation pamphlet. Won't really use that. Alrighty, on top we have Uncharted 4, of course. And there it is. A lot lighter than the original PlayStation. Also, you can see they put like triangles and circles and X's just like the controller buttons, which is kind of cool. And that's it. That was the unboxing of the PlayStation 4 Slim edition.